Hi, we will be discussing about truffles. First thing first, we are talking about fungal truffles, which are also known as diamond of the kitchen, and not about the chocolate truffles. A truffle is the fruiting body of subterranean ascomycete fungus, predominantly one of the many species of the genus tuber. In addition to tuber, many other genera of fungi are classified as truffles. Truffles are ectomycorrhizal fungi, so are usually found in close association with tree roots. Spore dispersal is accomplished through fungivorous animals that eat fungi. These fungi have significant ecological roles in nutrient cycling and drought tolerance. The reproduction cycle is like ascomycetes. As you can see that the fruiting body produce meiospores, and meiospores, both male and female, when they unite together they produce zygote and then a fruiting body, and this cycle continues. Let's take the example of black truffle, a fascinating icon of French gastronomy. Turns out to have a no less fascinating sexual life. The life cycle of black truffle includes a mating before sporulation. Although the species is hermaphroditic, mating turns out to involve parents with very different features that mostly behave as male or female only. This suggests that this species undergoes forced diocism. Now let's move to the harvesting and cultivation periods of truffles. Truffles are cultivated and harvested from natural habitats. White truffles are collected from September to December, whereas black truffles are collected from December to February. The less priced black truffles are collected throughout the year. It is believed that white truffle is superior due to its aroma and flavor. Unlike white truffles, the aroma of black truffles does not diminish when they are heated but becomes more intense. In cooking, black truffles are used to refine the taste of meat, fish, soups, cheeses, and risotto. On the other hand, white truffles are used mainly as a topping or shaving to add flavor instead of cooking. Truffles prefer habitat under oak, hazel, poplar, or beech trees. For example, white truffle can grow 12 cm or 5 inches in diameter and can have 500 grams of weight, though are usually much smaller. The flesh is pale cream or brown with white marbling. On the other hand, black truffles prefer hazel trees whose roots are inoculated with truffle mycelium. The first fruiting bodies of black truffle can be harvested about 4 to 10 years after planting the trees. Black truffles are now cultivated in Australia, New Zealand, Chile, North America, Argentina, South Africa, and Wales. The geographic distribution of truffles is mainly in the Mediterranean forests of southern Europe. However, in Himalayan mountain ranges, people have observed truffles as well. In the Mediterranean area, Spain, France, and Italy have been the main exporters of truffles. The white truffles from Italy have been very much prized. Similarly, black truffles from France are regarded as superior. Italian white truffles are very highly esteemed. The market prices in 2001 for white truffle was between 2000 and 4000 per kilogram. But as of November 2019, the prices went so high that 1 kilogram of the white truffle costs around $14,000. On the other hand, black truffle cost around 1000 to 2000 euros per kilogram. Black truffles are the second most expensive truffles after white truffles and one of the most sought after edible mushrooms in the world. With this, I will say thanks